Hi, you're watching Das Overa. This is Amarpal Singh. Before you, as 2-day Pashupalan Mela is going on over here at the Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University in Ludhiana. The College of Dairy Science, Dairy and Food Science Technology, they have exhibited a stall over here promoting entrepreneurship among the livestock farmers to make the livestock farming profitable. So we are having with us Dr. Nitika Goyal from the College of Dairy and Food Science Technology. Ma'am, welcome to Das Overa first of all.
Thank you.
Ma'am, please brief what kind of new products you have brought up over here promoting livestock farming into an entrepreneur.
Yeah. So actually, this year we have worked to develop two entrepreneurs. One with the one entrepreneur who is working with who is a goat farmer. So we trained him to make goat milk cheese. So this year we this entrepreneur he has launched goat cheese under the brand Green Pockets, and today he is launching his cheese from our college.
Okay.
It's like that. So second thing, one more innovation we have, we have moved one step further in this. Now we are also launching one more product made up of goat milk, that is goat milk soap.
Okay.
Which is basically pure natural soap prepared with almost 20-25% of goat milk, prepared handmade, no synthetic chemicals, good for kids, and and anyone who is having allergy can use this. So these two products we are launching from our college in this Mela. So second entrepreneur we have developed with the cow milk mozzarella cheese. So for the past 6 months we were working with a new entrepreneur who has brought cow milk, and we have trained them to make mozzarella cheese, and they are going to launch this product into the market. So these two entrepreneurs we are showcasing, and we want to give a message to livestock farmers who want to start their own business. So today is the time, you can see our stall, today is the time we are promoting premium products. Okay, now if you want to move further, you have the milk, but if you want to process, you have to go you have to go move one step further, you have to think big.
Right.
So we are promoting these premium products.
Right.
So this
Doctor,
is the thing.
Dr. Goyal, sorry to interrupt you. Can you show us the products, various products, and you can brief also about the same side by side?
Yeah, sure. Excuse me, sir. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is the product. You can see this is goat milk soap. So we have our scientist Dr. Manvesh here, who has developed this technology for goat milk soap,
Right.
and this is made up of, as I told you, it is made up of 25% of goat milk. Yeah.
Okay.
So good thing is that it has all the natural ingredients. You can see shea butter, coconut oil. We have not used any synthetic material in this,
Right.
and it is good for skin, as I told you, good for balancing pH, and moisturizes the skin well, and good for the babies and the person who are having allergy.
Okay.
Yeah.
How it is different from the soaps which are available in the market, or what is the market of this particular product?
Yeah, actually, nowadays, everyone is asking for the natural product. So I think market is great. This is going to be, one of the one of the innovation, or you can say going to come. Nowadays, you will see everyone is going for the natural products. Especially after COVID and everything. Yeah. So we are looking for something which is not made up of synthetic things.
Right.
Yeah. So the market is going to be great. Now our target is that we have developed the technology, and the entrepreneurs who want to enter the specifically goat farmers who want to come into new products, they can take the technology from us.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. What are the other products beside this goat milk soap?
I have one more product here. Sorry. So this is goat milk cheese, basically chevre. It is a fresh variety of goat milk cheese, and our entrepreneur is here who has launched this cheese under the brand Green Pockets. So we are using pure goat milk, no adulteration. Right now in India, whatever product is coming into the market, it is either imported, and the USP of this product is that it is made up of good quality goat milk. Technology has been given to the entrepreneur by the college itself, and we have already gone for various market surveys for this product, and this product is liked by each and every segment, be it kids or old people. and very good and healthy product. So these kind of products we are promoting from the college.
Dr. Goyal, can you just tell that how many farmers and non-farmers they are coming up into this processing and becoming entrepreneurs, and they are going up with these kind of products?
Yeah, right now, there is a huge demand. We are getting almost, every day we are getting like 5 to 10 requests every day. Say that we want to go for the premium products, be it cheese, be it, the products like soap, be it, ice creams and all. So we are getting, there is a huge boom, after, when now people want to go from producer to processor. So yeah, so a lot of opportunities and a lot of requests we are getting every day.
What kind of training or how you are training the farmers and non-farmers into this?
Yeah, okay, so we have, different kind of programs running in the college. We have 3 kind of programs. One is 5-day training, in which we give training of almost all the products, which you can see here. So this is a marketing model we are promoting. We have 200 kg milk processing model, 500 kg milk processing model, and 1000 kg milk processing model for each and every segment of farmer. Okay, so these are the products. All these products training we are giving in 5 days training. Okay. Then we have specialized training if any livestock farmer who wants to come for a very specific one product. So we plan the training for that, and then we have some customized trainings also, like 2-3 products together, or marketing strategies based on the milk quality testing. So accordingly we plan and do.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So she is Dr. Nitika Goyal from the College of Dairy and Food Science Technology. So she mentioned that 2 new products from the goat milk has been launched over here at the 2-day Pashupalan Mela, and the focus is that to make the livestock farming profitable, to make the producers, the processors, to promote the entrepreneurship. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to Das Suvera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.